Arctic foxes are wanderers, and they can travel over 2,000 miles from Norway to Canada in a constant search for food. There might be something here. A patch of grass, kept clear of the snow by the near-constant wind. The slightest hint of scent might indicate the presence of prey. Less than a metre below the surface may lie a hidden network of tunnels, shown here using a special filming burrow. Tiny Arctic lemmings, with a carpet of edible moss beneath and a thick blanket of snow above. The lemmings spend their entire winter hidden below the surface. And here they breed. For a hungry fox, a group of lemmings could be a life-saving discovery, if it can catch one. Lemming burrows may extend for up to 15 metres. Pinpointing the position of one of the inhabitants is not easy. An acute sense of hearing is essential, and the Arctic fox has a special trick. It doesn't always work first time, and it does require dedication. Less than 25 lemmings per square mile of tundra, you have to persevere. And at last, one plump lemming. The fox's tenacity and unique hunting skills enable them to find prey which few others could catch.